Imagine a world where seeing is no longer believing. In this digital age, a new kind of puppeteer is at work, weaving illusions that challenge our perception of reality. Enter Deepfake AI, a technology so advanced it can create hyper-realistic videos and audios of people saying or doing things they never did. If you're new to this technological wizardry, buckle up. This journey through the land of deepfakes, Industry 5.0, and the latest AI trends promises to be both enlightening and entertaining. What exactly is Deepfake AI? Deepfake AI is a portmanteau of deep learning and fake. It involves using artificial intelligence and machine learning techniques to create convincing fake images, videos, or audio recordings. The technology relies on neural networks, particularly generative adversarial networks, GANs, to generate content that mimics real human features and behaviors with uncanny accuracy. For the uninitiated, think of it as Photoshop on steroids. But instead of merely altering images, Deepfake AI can create entire video sequences from scratch. For instance, it can make a politician give a speech they never actually delivered or have a celebrity perform stunts they've never attempted. It's like having your very own digital doppelganger, but without the identity crisis. The rise of deepfake technology. The development of deepfake AI can be traced back to academic research in computer vision and AI. However, it wasn't until recent years that the technology became widely accessible, thanks to advancements in computational power and the proliferation of open-source AI frameworks. In 2018, a pivotal moment occurred when researchers at NVIDIA demonstrated the ability to generate high-quality, realistic human faces using GANs. This breakthrough set the stage for a new era of digital manipulation. Today, deepfake tools are readily available online, allowing even amateurs to create convincing fake videos. The dark side of deepfakes. While the technology is undeniably fascinating, it also comes with significant risks. Deepfakes have the potential to wreak havoc in various sectors, from politics to entertainment. One notable example is the 2024 election cycle, where deepfakes have been used to spread misinformation and discredit political opponents. The TechCrunch article highlights how generative AI is fueling the rapid spread of political deepfakes, creating an environment where voters struggle to discern truth from fiction. Similarly, McAfee's blog post emphasizes the threat posed by AI-generated robocalls and social media ads, impersonating political figures aiming to manipulate public opinion. The potential for deepfakes to undermine democratic processes and erode trust in media cannot be overstated. Deepfakes in everyday life. But it's not all doom and gloom. Deepfake AI also has positive applications that can enhance our daily lives. For instance, in the entertainment industry, deepfakes are used to create realistic visual effects in movies and TV shows. They can bring historical figures to life, allowing us to interact with digital avatars of iconic personalities from the past. Moreover, deepfakes are being leveraged in education and training. Imagine medical students practicing surgeries on virtual patients that react realistically, or language learners conversing with AI-generated native speakers. These applications not only make learning more engaging, but also provide valuable hands-on experience. Industry 5.0 and the role of AI. As we transition into Industry 5.0, the collaboration between humans and machines will become increasingly seamless. Unlike Industry 4.0, which focused on automation and data exchange, Industry 5.0 emphasizes human-centric innovations. AI technologies, including deepfakes, play a crucial role in this new industrial paradigm by augmenting human capabilities and creating more personalized experiences. One fascinating development is the use of AI in customer service. Companies are deploying AI-powered virtual assistants that can handle complex queries and provide personalized support. These virtual agents, often indistinguishable from their human counterparts, enhance customer satisfaction while reducing operational costs. The ethical implications. The rise of deepfake AI raises important ethical questions. How do we ensure that this powerful technology is used responsibly? The potential for misuse is high, and without proper safeguards, deepfakes could become a tool for malicious actors to spread false information, commit fraud, or invade privacy. To address these concerns, researchers and policymakers are working on developing detection tools and regulatory frameworks. For example, McAfee has unveiled advanced deepfake detection technology aimed at identifying AI-generated content and mitigating its impact. Additionally, tech companies are collaborating with governments to establish guidelines for the ethical use of AI. Concrete examples and applications. Let's delve into some concrete examples to illustrate the potential and pitfalls of deepfake AI. Entertainment. Deepfake technology has revolutionized visual effects in the film industry. Movies like The Irishman used AI to de-age actors, creating seamless transitions between different time periods. This technology opens up new possibilities for filmmakers, allowing them to tell stories in innovative ways. Education. AI-generated avatars can serve as tutors, providing personalized learning experiences for students. Platforms like Synthesia use deepfake technology to create educational videos with virtual instructors, making learning more engaging and accessible. Security. Deepfake detection tools are being developed to combat the misuse of AI-generated content. Companies like Trupic and Sensity offer solutions that analyze videos for signs of manipulation, helping to maintain the integrity of visual media. Customer service. AI-powered virtual assistants, such as those developed by companies like IBM and Google, use deepfake technology to create lifelike digital agents. These virtual assistants can handle customer inquiries with human-like empathy and understanding, enhancing the overall customer experience. Navigating the future of deepfake AI. As we navigate the complexities of deepfake AI and its implications, it's important to stay informed and vigilant. Here are a few steps you can take to engage with this technology responsibly. Educate yourself. Understanding the basics of deepfake AI and its applications is the first step toward responsible usage. Keep up with the latest developments by following reputable sources like MIT Technology Review and Wired. Leverage detection tools. Use deepfake detection tools to verify the authenticity of visual content. Services like Deepware and Amber Authenticate offer user-friendly solutions to identify manipulated media. Support ethical AI. Advocate for the ethical use of AI by supporting organizations and initiatives that promote transparency and accountability. Collaborate with stakeholders to establish guidelines that ensure AI technologies are used for the greater good. Stay critical. In an era of digital manipulation, maintaining a healthy skepticism is crucial. Always question the source and authenticity of the information you encounter and rely on multiple sources to verify facts. Conclusion. Deepfake AI is a testament to the incredible advancements in artificial intelligence, offering both immense potential and significant challenges. By understanding its capabilities and risks, we can harness this technology to enhance our lives while mitigating its negative impacts. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more AI-powered antics, go ahead and smash that subscribe button like it's an outdated CAPTCHA. Until next time, keep your algorithms error-free and your coffee strong.